But what happens when your identity becomes solely defined by your code, your projects, your job title? What happens to the you beyond the desk? For many in the tech world, the line between work and life doesn't just blur, it often disappears entirely. We dive deep into complex problems, chasing deadlines, optimizing algorithms, and building the future. And before we know it, our entire world shrinks to the size of a screen. The passion that once fueled us can morph into an all-consuming tunnel vision, leaving little room for anything else. But what happens when your identity becomes solely defined by your code, your projects, your job title? What happens to the you beyond the desk?
The tech industry thrives on constant connection, rapid iteration, and often an unspoken expectation of being always on. This relentless pace, coupled with the cognitive demands of our work, can lead to mental fatigue, creative blocks, and a profound sense of emptiness outside of our professional achievements. We might tell ourselves we're too busy, too tired, or that hobbies are a luxury we can't afford. But the truth is, neglecting our passions comes at a significant cost to our mental health, our relationships, and ultimately our long-term productivity and happiness. It's a silent drain that leaves us feeling depleted even when we're succeeding at work. This isn't just about taking a break, it's about engaging different parts of your brain. When you immerse yourself in a hobby, you activate neural pathways that might lie dormant during your workday. This is the power of neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself. Hobbies can stimulate creativity, improve problem-solving skills by offering a different perspective, and even enhance your focus. They trigger the release of dopamine, our brain's feel-good chemical, providing a natural mood boost. And for many, hobbies offer a flow state, that immersive, timeless experience where you're completely absorbed in an activity, a powerful antidote to stress and mental fatigue. It's like cross-training for your brain, making you a more well-rounded, resilient, and ultimately a more effective professional. So, what kind of hobbies can reignite that spark? Let's start with the creative and expressive. Many tech roles are analytical, but our brains crave creative outlets. Consider painting, drawing, or digital art. It engages different visual and motor skills. Learning a musical instrument can be incredibly rewarding, stimulating both logical and emotional centers. Creative writing, journaling, or even poetry can be a powerful way to process thoughts and build narrative skills. Or perhaps photography, capturing the beauty of the world around you, forcing you to see things from a new perspective.
Next, let's talk about getting physical and embracing the outdoors. After hours at a desk, your body craves movement and fresh air. Hiking, trail running, or simply walking in nature can significantly reduce stress and improve mood. Cycling offers both physical challenge and a chance to explore. Yoga or martial arts can build discipline, focus, and body awareness. For the more adventurous, rock climbing, kayaking, or even urban exploration can provide exhilarating challenges and a complete mental reset. These activities ground you, connecting you to your physical self and the world beyond your screen.
Finally, consider hobbies that involve learning and building, but outside the tech domain. Woodworking, pottery, or other crafts offer a tangible sense of creation and mastery. Gardening connects you to nature's rhythms and teaches patience. Learning a new language opens up new cultures and challenges your cognitive abilities in a different way. Even complex puzzles or model building can provide that satisfying problem-solving fix without the pressure of a deadline. The key is to find something that genuinely excites you, something that feels like play, not work.
We know what you're thinking. Where do I find the time? This is where intentionality comes in. Start small. Dedicate just 30 minutes a few times a week. Use time blocking in your calendar to protect your hobby time as fiercely as you protect your meetings. Set firm boundaries around your work hours. When the laptop closes, it closes. Don't check emails after hours. Communicate your boundaries to your team. Remember, this isn't selfish, it's essential for your well-being and long-term sustainability. Prioritize yourself, and the benefits will ripple into every area of your life.
The beautiful irony is that cultivating a life beyond the desk doesn't detract from your tech career. It enhances it. When you're refreshed, creatively stimulated, and less stressed, you bring a renewed energy to your work. You'll find yourself approaching problems with fresh perspectives, experiencing fewer creative blocks, and even collaborating more effectively. Hobbies provide a crucial mental reset, preventing burnout and fostering long-term resilience. They make you a more interesting, well-rounded individual, which can open doors to new connections and opportunities. This isn't just about surviving in tech, it's about thriving, building a sustainable career and achieving holistic well-being.
So, what's your passion waiting to be rediscovered? Whether it's picking up an old instrument, exploring a new trail, or simply dedicating time to a quiet craft, the journey beyond the desk begins with a single step. Don't let your career define your entire existence. Rediscover the joy, the curiosity, and the vibrant life that exists outside of your work. Your mental health, your creativity, and your overall happiness will thank you for it.
If this video inspired you to find your passion beyond the desk, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mental well-being and thriving in the tech world. Remember, a balanced life is a powerful life.